Welcome to today's journey, where we will be exploring the scenic wonders of Tajikistan, a hidden gem in Central Asia. Nestled in the heart of the continent, Tajikistan is a country teeming with cultural richness and natural beauty. Its geographical location offers a unique blend of landscapes, from snow-capped mountain peaks to serene turquoise lakes, each more breathtaking than the last. The country's rich cultural heritage, deeply rooted in its ancient history, is a tapestry of diverse traditions, languages, and customs. This is a place where old meets new, and where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Travelers to Tajikistan can expect to be mesmerized by its stunning landscapes, captivated by its vibrant culture, and welcomed by the warm hospitality of its people. The beauty of Tajikistan is not just in its scenic wonders, but also in the rhythm of its everyday life. Prepare yourself for a visual feast as we dive into the scenic wonders of this hidden gem. First on our list is the Pamir Highway, a road trip like no other. Winding its way through the heart of Central Asia, the Pamir Highway is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless beauty of nature. This road trip is one for the books, taking you through some of the most spectacular landscapes on Earth. Picture this, if you will, a high-altitude desert, where the air is thin and the sky is a bright, clear blue. The land is rugged and stark, yet there's a certain kind of beauty in its harshness. As you drive along, the desert gives way to snowy peaks. The mountains rise majestically, their icy caps glistening in the sunlight, providing a stark contrast to the blue sky. It's a sight that's worth 1,000 words, and yet, words seem to fall short when trying to describe it. But the Pamir Highway doesn't stop at deserts and mountains. Oh no, it takes you deeper, into the heart of valleys so deep that they seem to swallow the sun. These valleys, carved out by the relentless force of nature over centuries, are a sight to behold. They're a testament to the power of nature and time, and they're sure to leave you in awe of their sheer magnitude and beauty. Traveling on the Pamir Highway is not just about the landscapes though, it's about the journey, the experience. This is one of the highest highways in the world, reaching elevations of over 4,500 meters. As you ascend, you can feel the air thinning, making each breath a little harder, each step a little slower. But the thrill of being so high, of conquering the highway, is something that stays with you long after the journey is over. The Pamir Highway is more than just a road, it's a journey into the heart of nature, a testament to the power and beauty of the world we live in. It's a road trip like no other, a journey that's sure to leave you with memories that last a lifetime. The Pamir Highway, a journey that you'll remember for its breathtaking views and thrilling heights. Next, we climb to the heart-stopping heights of the Pamir Mountains, a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. This majestic mountain range in Tajikistan is a spectacle that captivates the hearts of all who visit. With more than 50 peaks exceeding 5,000 meters, it is a sight to behold. The Pamir Mountains are a canvas painted with an array of colors. The emerald green of the lush meadows, the azure blue of the glacial lakes, and the stark white of the snow-capped peaks create a mesmerizing tableau. The turquoise lakes, scattered like jewels amidst the mountains, are a sight that will leave you breathless. Names such as Alodin, Kulikalan, and Iskanderkul might sound exotic, but they represent some of the most beautiful lakes in the world. The mountains are also a haven for a diverse range of flora and fauna. From the rare snow leopard to the majestic golden eagle, the wildlife here is as varied as it is fascinating. The flora is equally enchanting, with wild tulips, edelweiss, and juniper trees dotting the landscape. But the Pamir Mountains are not just about stunning vistas and serene lakes, they are a playground for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The terrain, with its challenging peaks and rugged trails, offers a thrilling experience for the adventure seekers. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice, there is a trail for you. The Haftkul, or the Seven Lakes, is a popular hiking trail. This trail takes you through 7 different lakes, each with its unique hue, making for a fascinating journey. The trek to the Chimtarga Peak, the highest in the Pamir Mountains, is another exhilarating challenge for the brave-hearted. The Pamir Mountains are a testament to the beauty of Tajikistan, a gem hidden in the heart of Central Asia. They offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place where you can reconnect with nature and discover the joy of exploration. The Pamir Mountains, where the air is fresh, the views are stunning, and the adventure is limitless. Now let's venture to the Iskanderkul Lake, a turquoise treasure nestled in the Pamir Mountains. Imagine a serene body of water, a hue so vibrant and mesmerizing that it could only be described as turquoise. This is Iskanderkul Lake, a jewel of natural beauty set against the rugged backdrop of Tajikistan's Pamir Mountains. The lake reflects the sky's blue, creating a panoramic view that takes your breath away. But it's not just the color of the water that makes Iskanderkul Lake special. The surrounding landscapes contribute to its charm. The majestic mountains, the lush greenery, the cascading waterfalls, all these elements come together to create a tableau that is nothing short of magical. It's no wonder that Iskanderkul Lake is often referred to as one of the most beautiful lakes in the former Soviet Union. And then there's the history and the legends associated with this lake. The name Iskanderkul is derived from the Persian for Alexander's Lake, and many believe that the lake is named after Alexander the Great. Stories tell of Alexander and his army passing through this region during their epic campaigns. These ancient tales lend an air of mystery and intrigue to the lake, making it even more enchanting. But Iskanderkul Lake is not just a place of beauty and legend. It's also a haven for wildlife, home to a variety of species that thrive in this unique ecosystem. From the rare snow leopard to the majestic golden eagle, the lake and its surroundings are a testament to Tajikistan's rich biodiversity. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone who appreciates breathtaking landscapes, Iskanderkul Lake has something to offer. Its turquoise waters, the surrounding scenery, the tales of Alexander the Great, all these aspects make the lake a place worth visiting. So, next time you find yourself longing for a destination that combines natural beauty, fascinating history, and rich biodiversity, remember Iskanderkul Lake. Iskanderkul Lake, a place where history, legend, and nature weave a captivating tale. Finally, we step back in time as we visit the historic city of Penjikent. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wander through the pages of history, to walk the same pathways as ancient civilizations? Penjikent, located in the Sud province of Tajikistan, offers just such an experience. Its ancient ruins, historic sites, and archaeological significance make it a place where the past and the present seamlessly blend. The city of Penjikent, often referred to as the Pompeii of Central Asia, was once a thriving Sogdian city before it was abandoned in the 8th century. Today, it stands as a testament to the grandeur of a bygone era. The city is a treasure trove of archaeological finds, from remnants of ancient buildings to ornate frescoes that once adorned the walls of homes and temples. Imagine strolling through the remnants of the old city, where the excavated ruins of houses, a citadel, and a Zoroastrian fire temple reveal a fascinating glimpse into the life of the Sogdian people. Each stone, each fragment of pottery, whispers a tale of the city's rich history. Not far from the ancient city lies the modern Penjikent, home to the Rudaki Museum. Named after Abu Abdallah Rudaki, considered by many as the father of Persian poetry, the museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts excavated from the old city. Here you can marvel at the intricate details of the ancient frescoes, pottery, coins, and statues that provide a tangible link to the city's illustrious past. As you walk through the streets of Penjikent, every corner, every turn, holds a piece of history waiting to be discovered. From the bustling bazaars echoing with the vibrant sounds of local life to the quiet tranquility of the ruins, Penjikent is a city that invites you to become a part of its story. So come and explore the historic city of Penjikent, unearth its secrets, relive its glory, and let your imagination take flight as you traverse the pathways of history. Penjikent, a city where the echoes of history whisper stories of a bygone era. As we wrap up our journey through Tajikistan's scenic wonders, remember that this is just a glimpse of what this incredible country has to offer. We've traversed the serene routes, relishing the sight of turquoise lakes, and hiked through the paradise that Tajikistan is for adventure seekers. We've explored the historic city of Penjikent, imbibing the rich cultural experiences it has to offer. From the towering, majestic peaks to the tranquil turquoise treasures and the historic richness of the ancient cities, Tajikistan has shown us a diversity of landscapes and cultural experiences that are truly unparalleled. Each place visited has painted a unique and vibrant picture of this breathtaking country. So as we close this chapter, we invite you to ponder, which corner of the globe would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on more incredible journeys. Until then, safe travels.